Again, I welcome you back for this video presentation. Now we are going to discuss about the light conversion and the energy transfer devices. In this topic, light conversion and energy transfer devices, the conversion of absorbed light into emitted light of another wavelength occur in many luminescent phases. One would like, however, to perform separately the various steps of the overall process by means of different components that may be optimized for a given purpose, that is a wavelength of absorbed or emitted light, lifetime of emission, etc. This is the case for light conversion molecular device consisting of two discrete components. One is a light collector or antenna formed by an array of strongly absorbing units, and the second one an emitter, thus allowing the separate optimization of the absorption and emission. In order to function, inter-component energy transfer must occur as efficiently as possible. Thus, such a device operates in a three-step mode, that is absorption, energy transfer, emission, that is represented by A, E, T, E, that is shown in the diagram 18. As I mentioned earlier, a device operates in a three-step mode, that is absorption, energy transfer, emission, that is shown in this figure. Light conversion photochemical molecular device consisting of two components: a light collector, that is antenna, light absorbing groups A, and light emitter E, and performing a three-step process: absorption A by A, energy transfer by ET, and emission E. This has been realized in luminescent cryptids of europium-3 and terbium-3 with macrobicyclic ligands, which incorporate various heterobiaryl groups, that is 2,2 by pyridine, phenanthrolene, and bithiazole, biimidazole, bipyrimidine, bi-isoguanolin, and their N, N dash dioxides, serves as light collecting antenna components. These complexes present a unique combination of features arising from both their cryptid structure and the nature of the emitting species. Protection of the included ion from the deviation due to interaction with solvent, water molecules, very high thermodynamic stability and kinetic inertness, multiple photosensitizing groups suitable for energy transfer and displaying strong ultraviolet light absorption, characteristic long wavelength and long lifetime of emission. They display a bright luminescence in aqueous solution, whereas the free ions do not emit under the same conditions. Absorption of UV light by the organic antenna groups is followed by energy transfer to the included lanthanoid cation, which then emits its characteristic visible radiation. The corresponding absorption, energy transfer, and emission process is shown for europium-3 cryptid. Higher conversion efficiency and stronger luminescence are found for europium cryptates containing N oxide ligands. In the solid state complex exhibit especially efficient energy conversion, about 60%. This is also the case for the corresponding terbium 3 cryptate up to about 100 Kelvin. At a high temperature, energy migration and back transfer from the ion to the cryptant decreases the emission intensity. Since the nature of the ligand group strongly influences the photophysical properties, it may be possible to tune them to the desired purposes by suitable structural variations. Related macrocyclic complexes display analogous luminescent properties. Di and trinuclear complexes such as those derived from the sodium cryptate would offer further development for energy transfer studies. All these examples were shown in the next slide. Photoactive cryptates are interest as a novel luminescent material in solution or in the solid state, and as labels for biological applications subject to very stringent constraints. Labeling of monoclonal antibodies, of oligonucleotides, of membrane components, cytofluorometry, etc. Linked cascade systems performing very long range energy transfer, VL or ET, may be imagined. Photoactive cryptates are of interest as a novel luminescent material in solution or in the solid state, and as labels for biological applications subject to very stringent constraints. Labeling of monoclonal antibodies, of oligonucleotides, of membrane components, cytofluorometry, etc. Linked cascade systems performing very long range energy transfer, VL or ET, may be imagined. Of particular interest is the development of homogeneous immunoassays based on cryptates 87 as labeled in the diagram. They make use of second long range energy transfer between a group 87 and an acceptor A, such as allophycocyanin, bound each by a specific antibody to different epitopes of the antigen as represented in 90 antibodies bearing 87 and A, left and right antigen center. This process also results in signal amplification. Such immunoassays present great values for medical diagnostics. Europium or terbium complexes of crown ethers and of a calyx ring displays similar energy transfer luminescence processes. Photochemical communication by energy transfer or electron transfer may take place between a luminescent metal complex borne by a beta cyclodextrin core and a guest molecule included in the receptor cavity. Polymetallic complexes presenting directional energy migration are of much significance for the design of photochemical molecular devices. Large array of multiple photoactive and redox active building blocks of ruthenium or osmium tris bipyridine type, for instance, have been constructed for such purposes. Intramolecular transfer of excitation energy occurs in molecules containing several chromophores such as pyrene, anthracene, or porphyrin groups connected by various linkers. Energy and photo-induced electron transfer processes are found in biochromophoric supermolecules assembled through hydrogen bonding recognition via base pairing. Ultra-fast energy hopping takes place in multichromophoric beta cyclodextrin derivatives, and triplet energy migration occurs in solid and liquid crystalline phase of substituted phthalocyanins. Ultra-fast energy hopping takes place in multichromophoric beta cyclodextrin derivatives, and triplet energy migration occurs in solid and liquid crystalline phases of substituted phthalocyanins. Ultra-fast energy hopping takes place in multichromophoric beta cyclodextrin derivatives, and triplet energy migration occurs in solid and liquid crystalline phases of substituted phthalocyanins. In the former cases, very efficient energy transfer from multiple collector antenna leads to strong luminescence of an acceptor dye includes in the cavity. Such results are of much interest for the design of inorganic or organic photochemical devices presenting directional energy migration, as was shown to take place in a photonic molecular wire built on a rigid linear array of porphyrin units. That's all. Thank you.